Okay, there has been a power cut, so I'm starting it from again. Okay, so let's keep this aside, and I am re-downloading it. Before that, we have to prepare the dataset. So let's go here. Okay, and get to this PC, pictures, and go to here. And where is our dataset folder? Is over here. So it's over here. So let's copy this. Okay, it's taking some time. Okay, let's cut it, and let's go inside. And let's control A, control X. Okay, I didn't do anything. Okay, so control A, control X. So there are more than, so I think I know you don't need my face anymore. Okay, so there are more than 899 for, as you can see from here. So up to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 classes. So you just control A, control X, and just create a folder called dataset. Okay, DATASET, dataset. Okay, and paste this here. Every folder file which has to be pasted. So it is about 206 or 200 and some MB. Okay, so we are preparing the dataset now. Okay, okay, it's finished, I think so. So let's go to the bottom. Okay, let's go to the bottom. It is about 899. Okay, dataset has been prepared. Now we have to create the test and train files. So in order to create the test and train files, we have to check the folder over here. Let's go for the code and type this pwd. Okay, so after this has finished only we can get it, so it is really hard. So we are in the content darknet folder. Okay, inside the content darknet folder, so we have to copy this and take a notepad. Okay, and paste this content darknet slash, and we have to create in this manner. Okay, we have to create everything like in this manner. JPEG, this is for test and that is for train. So you have a script for this. I will teach you how to do it. So you have to get here. Okay, and you have to just go here to the dataset and do it. So I will teach you how to do it. So go here. Okay, and go to yolo or UBIKS Q. Okay, and you go to the MRX site. Okay, and you have to go to here and you have to copy all this code. Okay, go here and copy all this code and then paste it, and in this you have to give content darknet. Okay, path of the images should be given in this manner. Okay, so dataset. So let's get here and go inside this and get everything. Okay, get everything, come over here and paste it. It's finished. So it is, everything is a JPEG file. You have to note it. Train and test has to be split. So 10% of these things, for 1000 there has to be 10% thing. So we will change it again to content.net. Okay, so let's open another one. Okay, let's paste it over here. So first let's do this. So let's save this. Okay, so it is in pictures, content.net dataset, and this is the code. So you have to take it from Amaric site. Okay, Amaric Olos Ruby Cube site. So this I will give you the GitHub code also. Okay, save us. Okay, and go to the pictures, 16-bit, and where is it? Dataset. So dataset, and you have to save this in here. PROCESSING dot py, process.py. Sorry, this is process.py. CESS process.py in here. Okay, just save it. Okay, then get over here, then go to the last. Okay, go to the last, and it is over here. So you have to see the code also. So the code says that from this folder you have to train and test values, you have to split it in 10% as JPEG. So in order to do that, dataset path also you have to give. So it is so simple that I'm just telling you the methods. Just type cmd and type python python process dot py and hit enter. Okay, so it is telling that you have to change that code. Okay, change that code. So open code with open, it's taking some time. Okay, this is going to take some time, so let's put it in the notepad. So in here what you have to do is you have to change all these things into in this manner. This manner. Okay, you have to change all these things into this manner. And yes, just save it. Okay, now close this. This is going to take a lot of time. Then again come here and type this. Okay, it is telling that. Okay, dataset path. I don't know what's wrong with this. So let's put this apostrophe. Okay, and yes, save it. And this is not the problem, I think so. So just get here and okay, get here. So the problem was with the sign, the special symbol. So let's go here and just paste this, save this, and get here. And when you just hit enter, the magic will happen. So in here 2 files will be created, as you can see. So still some error, Unicode space. I don't know what is the problem is with that. Okay, terminated escape space. So 16-bit computer. So let's change this. Let's change this into rename this space, this could be a problem. Okay, 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 right. So let's take this dataset, copy this, Control X, and just paste it over here. Okay, you have to just close this and paste again over here. Again over here, it should be over here, C. Okay, it's not taking it. So X, paste this. Okay, there seems to be some problem. So let's close this. Again, paste this. Copy this. Control X. And paste this. Now what you have to do is to get here. Again, go to the CMD. Okay, and python Python ocess.py and hit enter. Still there is some error. So again get here, go to the notepad. So it may be this problem also. It's not show often. I don't know why it is showing often like this. Okay, so or else let's get this. Okay, not this. Let's get this directory. Right here, copy this, paste it over here, save it, get over here, and hit enter. Still some error. So Unicode space. So let's change these things into these kind of things. Okay, save this. If this error still shows up, we have to go for the Google. Okay, dataset path. Okay, syntax error, Unicode error. Shows Unicode error. So let's go for an online solution. Okay. So what could be the problem? CSV. I don't know what is the problem. So you have to just paste R in front of it. Okay. So you just paste R in front of it. So this is not the problem, I think so. Let's see. Okay, it has finally been done. You have to just paste R in front of it. Okay. It is nothing but you have to just paste R in front of it and it will be done. Okay. So this is what they are telling. So after that, so in here test has been created, 10% of test, and train will be created, 10% of train. Okay, but this is not our case. Okay, this is not our case. So our case is supposed to be on the cloud. Okay, so it's just downloading. So we have to go to this content.net get over here, and we have to paste this over here. Okay, and then .NET, and in the .NET we have to just create dataset, dataset, dataset. Okay, so this is how it is being done. You have to add AR at front. Okay, it is mandatory. And now what you have to do is you have to get here. Okay, and just type this. So now we will get two values, train and test. Okay, let's close this. Okay, nothing shows up now. I don't know why. So content.net dataset. So it is not taking the images. Okay, so it has to be in that format. Okay, it has to be in that format. So no problem with that. You can just go with this thing. Okay, it could be on this format. So these are all no need to change. You can just copy this. Okay, copy this and just paste it over here, but R has to be there, it is important. Okay, so just save it, then close it. Okay, get here and then just type this, you'll get another train test. And in here now what you have to do is you have to control H, you have to press control H, and in here not pictures dataset or anything, so you have to take this whole. Okay, copy and just paste it over here. Instead of this, what you're going to do is you're going to paste this. Okay, you're going to paste this. So you're going to paste this instead of the pictures. You're going to paste this content darknet, and in darknet, what you're going to do is it's going to be dataset. Okay, and it's going to be dataset, and this darknet. Okay, so that's it. I think so. So let's replace all. Okay, so this is finished for test. Okay, test, it has been finished. Content darknet dataset. So save it. So again, what you have to do, you have to go to the dataset. Okay, you have forgotten the symbol. Okay, dataset, copy this. Instead of dataset, you have to put slash dataset. That's it. Okay, so this is finished. Save it. Okay, this is for test. And then again, you have to go here and open the train. Then you have to come here for test. So you have to just copy this. You have to just copy this and put it over here. So let's copy this, Control C, Control H. Instead of this, what we are going to do is we are going to just paste this. Okay, and put it over here. Okay, yes. So let's replace all. Okay, for train it has been finished. So we have given the path for the both things. So we are going to upload this folder. Okay, we are going to upload this total folder, and also we are going to run this process.py inside the script, inside here. Okay, so we are going to get the pwd and we are going to run this process.py in this manner. Okay, so this is the clear definition of it. Okay, let's see, our document has been downloaded, so it is taking some time. Okay, it has been finished. Now what you have to do is you have to get here. Okay, and you have to test the code. So in order to test the code, you just go here. Okay, it has downloaded the YOLO, it says over here. So YOLO v3, okay, net, and go to the site. Okay, and again what you have to do is you have to check this thing. Okay, check this, and in the cfg files yolo v3.cfg is over here. So now what you have to do is you have to test the folder you're in. Okay, and after that you just paste this command, okay, so it should detect now. Okay, invalid syntax, you have to type this, okay, and it is running. Okay, it's running very fast because it is running on GPU. Okay, so it is taking some time because it is not on GPU, I think so. So you have to change the runtime now. Okay, let's see how much time it's taking for a single processing. Okay, so now what I do, I have to change this to GPU, save it. Okay, then again you have to just make a run. Okay, make a run now, so it should make it very fast. It's taking some time, I don't know why. Okay, it's taking some time. Must do it very fast. I don't know why it is not. It took 18 seconds, so it's not using the GPU. So let's go to the change runtime, change this to GPU and save it. And after that what you have to do is you have to get here. Okay, you have to get here and you have to take the make file, download it again. Okay, go there and check whether the GPU is enabled. Okay, cut it, take it to a separate folder. Okay, take it to a separate folder, paste this over here, and after that what you have to do is you have to open with notepad. Okay, open it with the notepad and take this. Oh, the GPU is not enabled. Okay, let's save this, then again go over here. Okay, get back to here. Okay, now what you shall do is you have to upload this. Okay, upload this, everything. Okay, so you have to upload this make file over here, just delete it. So this is supposed to be file save as. Okay, it's supposed to be make file only. Let's save it as the pictures. Okay, file save it as thing. And now what you have to do is get over here, upload it, and get to the pictures, go to the make file. Oh my god, there's supposed to be a mistake. Let's go again to here. Okay, so let's rename it. Okay, and just open this, I'll put it over here. So let's save this. Yes, save this. Save this. Okay, now we have to upload this make file. So hit here and upload this make file. Okay, so the file has been uploaded. So now what you do is you make it make. It will take some time. So disconnecting with the GPU now. Okay, it has been done, it has been compiled. So now again go to the code, and now what you have to do is you have to copy this, and this should run very fast now. Okay, this should run very fast now, as you can see. Let's see, this shouldn't take 18 minutes. Okay, it is running, so the GPU has been connected. Okay, so the GPU has been connected, so there is no problem with this. You can also copy this, copy the cell. Okay, it has been connected. Okay, let's check it again. Okay, so now what you have to do is you have to upload the dataset. Okay, dataset which is in the pictures. Okay, for custom object detection. So get here, go to the darknet, upload, go to the dataset. Where is the dataset? Pictures dataset. So over here, just upload. Okay, so it is really very hard. Okay, just get it. So the data set will be uploaded. Okay, so where is the file? It's not over here. So get it over here, go out, and just paste this. It's not uploading. It's not uploading. Okay, so again get here. Pictures, and it's in the source file, I think so. So upload, and data set. Okay, then you can create a new folder also here. Create a new folder. Called dataset dataset. Rename it. Okay, it has been created. Not in here. It's supposed to be created over here. Not over here. It should be created over here. New folder. Dataset. 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 Okay. And it's created. You just go inside it. Upload. And get over here. Control A. And open every file over there. Okay, open every file over there. Process.py also is included. Okay, so it should upload now. Two folders have been uploaded. Dataset. Okay, it has been